Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn Coding. I am Ayush Bakshi. So today I am going to explain you another C program. So our question is write a program to print the roll number and marks of the student using array, but the roll number should be unique for each student. It means that in suppose in your school, you and your friends doing giving an exam, and your both marks as same, but your roll number should be unique because you and your friend both are the different personality, different people. So your roll number should be unique to identify both you and your friends. So roll number should be unique for the each student. So you can show our question above our header file. So let's start our today program. So at first here we declare a macro constant variable that is has defined max 100. This make will be the size of the array always 100, and then here we declare all the variables inside the main function. So array int uh, roll array size max marks, that is max, and then I comma j comma n, and then we can write a message using printf function to the screen of the console, that is printf enter the number of students, and then take input from the user using scanf function percentile d ampersand n, and then here write a loop, a outer loop that is help to store the user input at the each index in the array I less than n I plus plus. So at first we initialize the variable, then give a condition, and then we increment the I value because for loop has divided into three parts. At first we initialize, then we give condition, and then increment or decrement. And here after we give a condition, give a statement that is help to uh, help to print a message to the screen or the console. Printf new line enter the roll number for student percentile d colon, and then I plus 1. This is basically help to start the index from 1, and then take input from the user using scanf function percentile d ampersand roll I, and then write a inner loop that basically helps to check the current user giving roll number to the previous roll number that already exists or not. This basically supplies the loop basically supplies the index. At first we initialize the j value that is declared here, and j is equal to 0, j less than I, and j plus plus. J less than is equal to y. This condition basically checks that the depending on the i's value, because how many students we are entering, it's depending on these conditions. So after that we declare a define a condition in the for loop body. If roll I is equal to roll j, then here print a message or console to the screen, that is using printf function roll number has already exist, please re-enter the roll number, and then it will declare here a go to statement. Go to statement basically interrupts your natural flow and send you back to the previous steps. If you don't if you want to know more about the go to statement, then comment me out and I will make a separate video for it. go to level, and then after this inner loop we take input from the student marks and uh, to show a message to the Skinner console using printf function, that is enter the marks for roll number percentile d roll I, and then take the input from the user using scanf function percentile d ampersand marks I, and and then here we print a message to the Skinner console using printf function, that is new line roll number slash t, basically print the tab space, and then marks, and then we print the all array values I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and under the for loop body we give a statement that is printf new line percentile d slash t percentile d roll I marks I. So our program is ready, let's run it. So a number of students is we give 2, and the roll number for student 1 I give 11, and the roll number, the marks for the roll number 11 is 34, and we give here same roll number that is given for the student 1, and see we can see a message that is roll number has been already exists, and please enter the roll number for student 2. So we give different roll number, that is 12, and give the mark is 45. See all the marks and the roll number has printed for each student, and even the roll number should be unique. So how this code will be working, let's try run the code. So the number of students will be 2, and then comes here the current I value is 0, and 0 less than n value is 2, then enter into the for loop body, and our insert input will be give 11, and then comes here. So our current j value is 0, so then 0 less than 0 condition is false, then it comes here after, and we take the marks for the roll number 11, we give here 34, and then again the outer loop will be iterate, and i's values become will be i's value will be incremented, and I value 0 becomes 1, and checks here 1 less than 2, yes, condition true, and we again give the same roll number that is give for the student 1. So we give 11, and it comes here, and j value is 0, but our I value is currently 1. So 0 less than 1 condition is true, enter into the inner loop body, and here it checks a condition, that is, so roll I is equal to roll j. So roll I, so I current value is 1 is equal to roll j current value is 0. So in the one number index what value will be stored, we stored 11. So 11 is equal to, in the 0 number index what will be the value is 11. So condition is true, this message will be printed, and here comes go to the level, and it send you back to this position, and take input from the user again for the roll number for the index 1, and we give different roll number, that is 12, and then again it will be checked. So our current j value is 0, so 0 less than our current I value is 1, condition true, and here check roll I current value is 1. So one number index we what the value we give 12, so 12, and the 0 number position value is 11, so 12 is equal to 11. Condition false, conditions will be so condition will be false, and this loop will be terminated and comes here. We give the marks for the student 2, we give 45, and then here comes, and all the roll number and marks will be the printed. So that's why it, guys, this is our program, and thank you.